Dr. Sarath Ratnayaka, Dr. Gihan, Dr. Asiri Gunathilaka, the other doctors, and all of you ladies and gentlemen. I'm 76 years old now, and I should have undergone my knee replacement operation at least 20 years before, because that was the time the first signals came. And I've been delaying it and delaying it and delaying it until the pain was becoming more and more and more. But I managed to walk somehow or other after taking some paracetamol. So I used to take about 10 paracetamols a day and then come here. Towards the end, before coming here, I also got on to Voltaren to keep the pain down. I was really not coming to Navina Medicare at all because I did not know about Navina Medicare. I was told by all my friends and relations that I should go to a Colombo 7 hospital, which is very well equipped, very big hospitals, very good doctors, and all that kind of thing. I have had an operation there about 25 years ago, and operation was successful, but the way they treated me like a scum of the earth. I was not wanting to go there again. Then one day, quite by accident, a friend of mine who is an engineer, who had fallen off a ladder, he told me he was treated at Navina Medicare. And I should go there and take a look. That's all he told me. He never told me anything more. I came to Navina Medicare. The girls in the reception were so friendly. I was really taken up because that friendship friendliness I never got in any of the other hospitals. They said, you must go and see Dr. Ratnayaka and ask him what can be done. So I waited maybe 30 minutes. Then I got my chance to go and see Dr. Ratnayaka. And the moment Dr. Ratnayaka started examining and stretching my joints out a bit, I was totally taken in. And I told Dr. Ratnayaka what my problems were and how I should have come to see him almost 20 years ago, if at all, if I knew him. But then it happened. It was heavenly guidance, actually. And then he treated me for a few months, saying that we have to get you fit for the operation. Then there were no cartilage at all in any of the x-rays that were taken. Then he put me on to Dr. Gihan, who did the health and safety issues on my body and lead into the operation. In the meantime, I was seeing Dr. Asiri Gunathilaka, and I found all of them very friendly, very professional, extremely helpful in guiding you, supporting you, cooperating with you in your ailment. I was totally there and very much against the wishes of my family and that of my friends. I came here because you know why. They also told me, at your age, you will never walk again unless you go to a good hospital. So I came and I found Navina Medicare a good hospital. And I found that out. So I went through the operation, friendly service, all the way into the operating theater. There Dr. Asiri introduced me to his anesthetist. Anesthetist told me, my request cannot be granted that you will sleep, that you want a full body anesthesia. He told me, you'll never wake up again. So I told him, I don't want to be up. I have seen this spinal anesthesia before and I don't want it. He said, there is one more thing, I can sedate you. I said, perfect. And he's very friendly, very nice, very cooperative. He sedated me. Operation took place for some number of hours, led by Dr. Asiri. And then, when the operation was finished, Dr. Asiri and the anesthetist told me good morning. They greeted me good morning. And that was very good. I felt so good being greeted good morning. And I went into the ward as guided by Dr. Ratnayaka. The service in the ward was so good. The nursing service was very good. Dr. Gihan was always at hand. Dr. Asiri and Dr. Ratnayaka were also visiting me right through. The food I ate in the ward was superb because there are so many items in our food matters that I don't eat. I was eating some food that I really wanted to eat. And that kitchen, your kitchen really provided that food. Because I don't eat sambar rice to start with. Because I know the number of chemicals that go into it, into growing that sambar rice. They gave me the rice I wanted. Perfect. And I was really healing well. Doctor asked, and of course, doctor came and visited me. I think the second morning after the operation, I went home. And then I kept on seeing Dr. Asiri for a few. I'm still seeing Dr. Asiri as he wants me to. And very nice service, a serious consultation. He makes it a very friendly consultation. Thank you for that. And Dr. Ratnayaka too, thank you very much. Dr. Gihan, thank you very much. I really am fully for Navina Medicare. And I will recommend Navina Medicare to anybody. And I also found that Navina Medicare, though it was far for me to come, it was perfect. Everything was perfect here. Thank you. And now I walk. My friends told me I'll never walk if you go to a hospital so far away and get your operation done. I walk 1.5 to 2 kilometers every day now. And when I get a little pain in the knee, I take the ice bag out of the deep freeze and hold the ice bag onto my knees for about 5 minutes. And that sorts it out because Dr. Asiri stopped all my painkillers. and anyway, it was good also in a way. So now the ice is my painkiller. So that goes on. Of course, when I walk more than 2 kilometers, it becomes impossible. But you told me to get back to work long ago, so I got back to work. I work in Sri Lanka. I work in Anuradhapura area now, going up to Vavuniya. And on the other side, I come down to Maho. So my work as an agricultural consultant, I have started again in a small way. So thank you very much. And God bless all of you doctors and Navina Medicare.